Good morning, respected principal sir, teachers, and my dear friends. I, Harsh, welcome you all to this beautiful morning assembly. Let's begin this day with positivity, enthusiasm, and a fresh mindset. Prayer is the way to connect with God and seek His blessings for a bright and successful day. It fills our hearts with peace and gratitude. Now, I would like to invite Aryan for the prayer. A pledge is a promise we make to ourselves to be responsible, honest, and dedicated citizens. Now let's take a pledge together, led by Meera. Thank you, Meera. A pledge reminds us our duties towards our nation. Keeping ourselves updated with the latest events help us stay informed and aware of the world. To share today's news, I invite Rahul. Thank you, Rahul, for keeping us informed. Great thoughts inspire great actions. A simple thought can change our perspectives and fill us with positivity. To share today's inspiring thought, I would invite Priya. Thank you, Priya. That was truly motivating. Words have the power to inspire and educate. Today, we have a short speech on the importance of honesty by Sneha. Thank you, Sneha, for sharing such valuable insights. Learning becomes more fun when we challenge ourselves. To make this morning more exciting, let us have a quiz by Aditya. That was exciting. Thank you, Aditya. As we move ahead in our day, let's remember to be kind, hardworking, and grateful. This brings us to the end of today's assembly. Thank you everyone for your participation. Have a great day ahead.